our topic for this moment is about how to formulate a title of a research study and the components of a research proposal, including the formatting. In formulating a research title, we need to consider the following. First and foremost, choose a study focus in line with your specialization and interest. This is because if you are not interested with the study topic, you are not willing to read articles about the topic. One of the importances in writing a research proposal is reading articles, books, journals, both online or hard copies, magazines, and other sources related to your study topic. Why we should have readings? Readings is important for the theories, related literature, and related studies that support your study. Talking about title, it is a brief level which have shown the themes of the topics of the whole study. It names the major variables that are the subject of the investigation. Talking about variable, a variable in research simply refers to a person, place, thing, or phenomenon that are trying to measure in some way. Example, perception of quality physical education, the 3 levels of education basis for the inclusion in the school plan improvement plan. Another example is academic performance of students engaged in athletic and non-athletic competition. Identifying the variables, we have perception, quality physical education, 3 levels of education, school plan, improvement plan. In this example, the variables, we have the academic performance of the students who are engaged in athletic and non-athletic competition. Talking about non-athletic competition, it's about academic competition. The title also provides the reader with an instant grasp of what the study is all about. Looking at the example, the reader can readily understand the study topic. In this example, it is all about the academic performance of the students who are actively engaged in athletic and academic competition. So that the title must be clear and concise, as well as eye-catching to attract the intellectual readers. That is, upon looking at the title, the reader is attracted and will read the whole manuscript. If possible, the title should answer the what, who, and where of the study. So in this example, perception of quality physical education and 3 levels of education, basis for the inclusion in the school plan improvement plan, we have the what, that is perception of quality physical education. The who here is the 3 levels of education. The where may not be included in the title, like in this example. So we cannot see the when, the where, and the when of the title, but it must be included in the chapter 1. The same is true in this example. Just be sure that the where and the when is included in the chapter 1, although it is not included in the title. Another thing, in formulating a title, we need to avoid so many verbs. Avoid verbosely worded title. So, in this example, as we can see, there is no verbs, many verbs that is included. But we need to provide a clear and descriptive title of the research and 10 to 12 words. To achieve brevity, avoid including the following phrases: a study of, an investigation of. So, we cannot see in those examples. One more thing, don't include any variable in the title that is not included in your study. Hence, there is no use of including variables not included in the study. Also, we need to observe congruency. Congruency between your title and the different parts of your paper. We speak of academic performance, so we will be going to use this word academic performance in all the text in the manuscript. Now, let's go to the components of a research proposal. Chapter 1 includes the introduction. Then, under the introduction, we have the rationale of the study, theoretical or theoretical literature background, then theoretical framework, the problem, statement of the problem, statement of hypothesis, significance of the study. Research methodology. So under the research methodology, we have to write a short introduction about the method. Then we have environment, subjects or respondents. Respondents if it pertains to people. Instruments, procedure of gathering the data, treatment of data, definition of terms, organization of the study. Those are the components. No? Then we have the formatting. This formatting is true to SETI undergraduate thesis and the master thesis. For the font size, we are using font size 12, and font name, we are using Arial. The margin should be 1.5 inch at the left, 1 inch at the right, upper and bottom. All center head must be in the uppercase. All paragraph side head must be in the lowercase except the first letter and highlight. For example, rationale of the study, the uppercase is only R for rationale and S for study. We need, of course, to center the word introduction, and that is in the uppercase. In the next video, it will show the detailed discussion of every part in the thesis proposal writing. Thank you!